Hi friends, let me show you this new saddle stool that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a stool great for people who works in the beauty industry or tattooists or people that are going to work and need a stool. As you will see, it is really easy to put together, yet it's very strong. It can hold up to a person of up to 300 pounds. You get all the parts and the installation instructions, which are really easy. That's it, okay? You can see, easy to put together. You can adjust the height, okay? Let me show it. As you can see, I can hold it easily, it's not that heavy. And you can work with it. Your back is straight when you are sitting on it. It's really comfortable. You can move around. You can change the height, as I told you. Okay, like that. Well, depending on the height you want to be working with, okay? And really, really easy to use, nice to set up, and comfortable to the use. Your back is straight. It holds up to 300 pounds, as I told you. And if you need a stool like this to do some of your work, this is a great option that I can recommend really, really openly. Thank you very much.